Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back in part 3 of citronella cultivation. I am Durgesh Nandan. You are watching Agriculture Varsity. Let's start. So let's start now. Yes. So in last time we were on irrigation point. Let's start from irrigation. So in irrigation of citronella, watering is not necessary during rainy days. Means if rainy season are there, so we have not necessary during rainy days because we would like to give. So it will be depend on dry days. So just water the citronella slips once in 3 to 4 days in the first month. Means when we are transplanting citronella slips on field, means after that sowings. So in first month, we need required irrigations into this field. Later once the plant is established, water once in 10 to 15 days. It requires a low amount of water. It requires a lot of sunshine and less rain, around 200 to 250 centimeter per year. So that things we have already discussed, that is required 200 250 centimeter per year water, because that is very less amount of water is required. So that's why we need very less amount of irrigation water also. And that the time of planting, so in summer season, also rainy days are found or rains are available. So in that season we have no requirement of any irrigation. In the first month of after transplanting rice, in 3 to 4 days in the first month, we have required the water to irrigate citronella. And later once the plant is established, water once in 10th to 15th days if required. Okay, so it requires low amount of water, so no problem. The next is harvesting. After their harvesting, because is there disease and pest management. So is there not any main disease in there and not any main pests harmful are there. Okay, so that's why let's complete the harvesting topic. And the complete crop above the ground can be used to extract the essential oil. So the percentage of citronella will determine the quality of citronella oil. Harvest the crop from 10 to 15 centimeter above the ground. Okay, 10 to 15 centimeter above the ground, leaving the plant to regrow, because that is crop for 3 years or 3.5 years mainly. Okay, and it's a first cutting started from the 6th month, and after it every 3 months we will take the cuttings, means harvesting. So that's why we have to leave that plant 10 to 15 centimeter from the ground for regrowth. Okay, so the complete crop above the ground can be used to extract the essential oil. The percentage of citronella will determine the quality of citronella oil. And harvest the crop from 10 to 15 centimeter above the ground. And the first harvest is after 7 to 8 months when it is fully grown. Okay, so first cut or first harvest we have to take after that 7 to 8 months when it is fully grown. And successive harvest will be after every 3 to 4 months for the next 3 years. So successive harvest will be after every 3 to 4 months for the next 3 years. Okay, means next 3 years we will take the growth or harvest the crop continuously. Okay, means every 3 to 4 months. So first cut or first harvest we have to take after the 7 to 8 months, and after that every 3 to 4 months we can harvest that crop. 10 to 14 ton herbage from an acre per harvest can be expected. Means per acre means 1 acre we can take 10 to 14 ton herbage. Okay, the green material 10 to 14 ton herbage from 1 acre per harvest can be expected. And there are 3 to 4 harvests per year, because after that first harvest we have to take the 3 to 4 months after. So in a 1 year means in 12 months we can cut that crop 4 times, 3 to 4 times. Okay, now the very important process is coming, oil extraction. So oil extraction, that is a very important process in citronella crop and any essential oil crops, and that is very important process. So how can we extract the oil? Let's see very carefully. The extraction of this essential oil is done by steam distillation of grass. Steam distillation of grass. Okay, always remember that term. So oil extraction of this essential oil is done by the steam distillation of grass. The distillation process should be done for three hours to extract complete citronella oil. Okay, let's take 3 hours to extract complete citronella oil, and start oil extraction only after 24 hours of harvest. Means after harvesting the crop, just leave for 24 hours, and after the 24 hours we can extract oil from this crop. As the water content will reduce the moisture content by 30% and improves oil yield, do not let the herbage to dry in direct sunlight. Keep in shade. Okay, so we have, after that harvest we have to keep in shade for dry. Always remember that things. Let's start the process of oil extraction.
Distillation is the most common way to extract aromatic compounds from a plant, and essential oil distillation.
Okay, so let's start the distillation process. So first, that is the 3 jars of there. Okay, and in this system are installed, and we will make first steam. So that is the steam generator. Second one, the condenser and cold water inlet that side, and separator for oil. So let's see how that is processed. So first, filled by the water, its tank filled by the water, and upper chamber we can take the leaves, and after that burn it, means fire it, and its water generate steam. Okay, and that steams passes through the leaves. Okay, passes through the leaves. So leaves generate the oil and vapor both come through the tubes in second jar, means condenser, to cold it. And in this condenser, in second portion, that vapor will be cold, and after that come in separator. So that oil and water vapor both will come in the third portion, and oil will be float on water. So water will take from the another portion, means there is one tanky, and second one oil will be floated on water, means in upper surface. So that water and that oil we can separate from the second external portion. So from the first outlet we can take the water, and from the second outlet we can extract oil very easily. That is the process of oil extraction. I hope you well understood. Next is the oil production. So after that extraction, just oil production. So in 1 ton herbage, 8 to 10 kilogram of essential oil can be extracted, means in 1 ton. And in 1 acre, how much we can produce? So we have taken the production of 13 to 14 ton per acre. Okay, herbage material. In previous slide I have shown to you. So in there 10 to 14 ton we have taken the production in 1 acre. So you can multiply with this 8 to 10 kilogram of essential oil, because in 110 we have taken 8 to 10 kilogram of essential oil can be extracted. So per acre in around 75 to 120 kilogram essential citronella oil can be extracted. And after that, purification of the oil. So the insoluble particles present in the oil are removed by a simple filtration method after mixing it with anhydrous sodium sulfate and keeping it overnight or for 4 to 5 hours. Okay, that is a very simple purification method, nothing to do. And after that, at last, storage and packaging of citronella oil. So the oil can be stored in glass bottles. Oil can be stored in glass bottles or containers made up of stainless steel, okay, stainless steel or aluminum or galvanized iron. So that things we should use for storage of citronella oil. So first, glass bottles, containers made up of stainless steel or aluminum or galvanized iron, depending upon the quantity of oil to be stored. So in which quantity of glass bottles or stainless steel pots you have to take. Okay, so it will be depend on the quantity of production. The oil should be filled up the brim and the containers should be kept away from the direct heat and sunlight in cool shaded places. Okay, so we should away means we should away the containers from direct heat and sunlight. Okay, in cool shaded places we have to store. And in the last, in this cultivation, which things are remaining less completed, and that is the very important thing, citronella plant varieties. Okay, citronella plant varieties. So there are varieties of citronella plant which differs in herbage quantity and citronella concentration, are developed by research centers in India. Here are best varieties available. Okay, let's see. So there is no lots of varieties. Okay, so it has the some very famous varieties are there. That is Mandakini. Okay, I like it's misspelled. That is a Mandakini. Okay, so oil extracted 93 to 95 kilogram and citronella percentage is 38%. Okay, citronella percentage is 38%. And second one, Manjusha. Manjusha has 80 to 85 kilogram oil extracted and citronella percentage 39. And in Bio 13, that is a very famous variety, Bio 13, it has the 76 to 80 kilogram and citronella percentage is 38. So there are three very important varieties, Mandakini, Manjusha, and Bio 13 and Bio 13. Okay, it has a different oil extraction kilogram per acre per year and citronella percentage is given here. So how much citronella percentage are found, you can easily find out here, and how much oil extracted kilogram per year per acre. Okay, that is the value is given here. So with this heading, last heading, we have completed our citronella cultivation. Okay, so by this slides we have complete citronella cultivation. And so now it's your work, make your notes, okay, properly, and see this video for your revision if you have already made the notes. Okay, thank you class, and thank you students, and thank you agriculture aspirants. Okay, and let's see, share and subscribe also. Thank you. So you don't need to be bored at home, continue studying with agriculture varsity. Thank you again.